Hey there, gardeners! If you're looking for a superfood that's easy to grow in a container, kale is your answer. This leafy green is packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, and it thrives in cooler weather. Let me show you how to grow your own kale in a container, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Kale loves the cool, crisp air of spring and fall, so it's perfect for container gardening in places with moderate climates. But don't worry, even if it's warm where you live, there's a kale. Start by choosing the right spot. Kale needs full sun, so pick a spot where your container can get at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. But if you're in a warmer climate, a bit of afternoon shade can help keep your kale from wilting. Kale thrives in rich, well-drained soil. For container gardening, use a good quality potting mix and add some compost or organic matter to give it extra nutrients. The ideal pH for kale is between 6.0 and 7.0, so be sure to test your soil if you're unsure. When planting, you can either start from seeds or small kale plants. If you're starting from seeds, plant them about 1/2 inch deep. Space your plants about 12 to 18 inches apart. But remember, kale can be grown in smaller containers. Just choose a compact variety if you re-short on space. Kale loves moisture, but doesn't like to sit in waterlogged soil. Water your container regularly to keep the soil evenly moist, and make sure your container has good drainage. As your kale grows, it'll need some regular care. Check for pests like aphids or caterpillars, and gently wash them off if you spot any. Keep an eye on your kale to make sure it stays healthy and happy. And the best part? You don't have to worry about it all going bad at once. Harvest your kale throughout the season, and it'll keep giving you fresh, nutritious greens. So there you have it. With just a little care, you can grow kale in a container and enjoy fresh, healthy greens all year long. From soups to smoothies, kale is a superfood that's easy to incorporate into your meals. Happy gardening, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. See you next time.